Okay guys, hello. It's been so long since I filmed a mukbang, like days. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm sweating. And my hair is a mess. Hey everyone, welcome back to MelBeezee Eats. My name is Melissa, in case you are new. Tonight for dinner, you guys, we have Carne Asada tacos. I'm so excited. So I did make the meat. I had it marinating since yesterday. I just marinated with orange juice, lime juice, garlic, cilantro, did I say salt, pepper? Salt, pepper, and then just like a little bit of chili and cumin. And then we have onions, cilantro, some red salsa, spicy salsa. And then instead of corn tortillas, you guys, I found these jicama wraps at Costco. They're very low carb, very low calorie. I've never tried them. This is my first time, so we're gonna try them. Let me know if you guys have ever tried these jicama wraps. It's just thinly sliced jicama, and they're very flexible. See that? All right, let's eat, you guys. Mmm. Oh my gosh, so good. This is so good. The jicama is crunchy, doesn't really have any flavor, so that's good. You can just put whatever you want in here. So good. To drink, I just have sparkling water. This is the red salsa that I got at Costco, if you saw my Costco haul. Spicy. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. So today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I feel like it's been so long since I filmed the mukbang. It's definitely been a few days. How was everyone's 4th of July? We actually went to the dentist on Saturday on 4th of July, but my appointment was like really early, 9 o'clock. And then we spent 4th of July, like the evening, with my friend and her family. It was so much fun. We went swimming, we had barbecue, fireworks. And they made homemade ice cream. The kids really liked that. My favorite part was the swimming. They had huge floaties, like the whole pool, like more than half the pool was filled with floaties. Like they had a unicorn, a swan. What else did they have? A flamingo. There was like a flat one. What was that flat one?
Like a mermaid, I don't know. A shell.
Oh, a shell. And they had like the inner tube. Is that feathers. With feathers inside? It's a clear inner tube with pink feathers inside. And then the ball had feathers, like a big beach ball. And then there was another beach ball with gold glitter inside. So cute. And they had like, and then they had a dessert table. All 4th of July themed, of course. The salsa is actually not that spicy when you put it on a taco, because when I eat it with the tortilla chips, it's super spicy. Vanessa's like, huh? She put it on her taco, it was so hot. And then what did we do on Sunday? I don't think we did anything on Sunday. That was just like our rest day. Oh, I was off on Friday. I went to that's the day I went to Costco.
Mommy, didn't you get those from Trader Joe's?
Mm-hmm.
You said Costco.
No, I didn't.
Why did you do it?
The jicama is from Trader Joe's. I don't know if I said Costco or Trader Joe's. It's only $3.99. It comes with a lot. So yeah, oh my gosh, when I went to Costco on Friday, we first went in the morning and the line was so long to get in, so we just decided to go home and then we came back later. When we came back a few hours later, they did not have a line to get in. And when we went in, it was so crowded, like no social distancing at all. It was very stressful. This is so good. You don't even really miss the corn tortilla. You guys, we're leaving in 12 days. We're leaving for Disney World in 12 days. Today they had a preview day. I was watching a lot of like Instagram videos and I saw pictures and stuff. Yes, can you get me more the salsa? I think it's just right there by the toaster, and then get a small spoon. Should be interesting. I saw that, I noticed they put up like plexiglass in the lines. Like in between, you know, each lane.
Can't believe you want more.
Thank you. Do they have that plexiglass on all the rides, you think? In all the lines? All the queues? Yeah. This one doesn't have enough salsa because I want it spicy. My onions. Okay. I love onions, you guys. I love onions and cilantro, so I always put a lot. So good. That was so good. That's weird. This isn't that spicy. The salsa, when you eat it on its own or when you eat it with a taco, it's not that spicy. Also, because I've been eating this salsa with the jalapeno lime tortilla chips. Maybe those are spicy? Are they spicy, AJ? Have you tried the chips?
The chips are not spicy.
The chips are not spicy? Then I don't know. For some reason, this salsa is not that spicy when I eat it as in a taco. Anyways, you guys, that was so good. Let me know if you guys have tried the jicama wraps. I got them at Trader Joe's. I don't know if I said Costco, but yeah, Trader Joe's. And yeah, that's it. That's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.